it's Terry Young at the Euclid Fish Retail Market. This is my son Charles, and he's going to be talking about the boils.
What we rolled out a couple years ago, it's been very exciting for us. Hopping on the boil trend, we have several different boils. You give us 2-3 days lead time. We pack them with fresh ingredients. A couple of my favorites are the lobster boil. We'll put a whole cooked lobster in there for you, clams, and we also have potatoes. And everything with the boils comes with the fixing. So plasticware, coleslaw, everything else, rolled butter. If you want to add anything else on, this has a full pound of easy peel white shrimp in here, along with some kielbasa, corn, and little red skin potatoes in there as well. You just want to make sure everything's on the bottom, evenly spread. The New England bake has live oysters and crab claws in it. The lobster bake here. And then we'll also provide you with Old Bay seasoning, and we will give that to you in proportion to how many bakes that you get.
And we'll be including all the cooking directions, and if you want to build your own, we'd be happy to gather everything for you. And they're here all year round, as well as the clam bakes. So come in the market and see me and Kristen and Richard, and stop on by. Thank you.